Hi everyone, this is already 7 p.m. and finally I have got some time to shoot my today's video. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into today's video. And yes, please do watch it till the end because this is something you can recreate very easily. And if you like it, hit the like button and make sure that you have subscribed to my channel to check my other videos as well. As I have left with very little time to create my video of mandala, I have to edit it, I have to upload it, and also share it to other platforms. I started drawing on my Not That Tough diary. You can also recreate it using your own diary cover or any notebook which has plain cover. I'm marking it 10-degree apart. I took a random size of circle. I don't know the actual size of this. You can take it as your own diary or notebook on which you are drawing it. As the drawing pencil was not working on this diary, I took a simple pencil and started drawing it. I'm joining the lines. Earlier I was using this permanent CD marker, but as it was not working properly, I had to change my pen. I started drawing some random patterns, whichever comes to my mind. You can create your own patterns of your own choice. Just fill the space. Create some petals and fill them. You can also use acrylic colors on this, but I used only outlines. By creating some random patterns, I somehow completed my today's video, and by the time I am editing, it's already 8:15. look what is the time here. It's 7:22 when I was drawing these patterns, and now it is 8:22. So this small pattern took 1.5 hours to complete. If you haven't checked my videos I earlier uploaded on my channel, you can check the description box. I'll share the link in the description box, and also you can check my channel to watch other videos. And if you like the content, you can subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any other video I upload in the future. So enjoy the pattern and see you tomorrow. Till then, take care and keep creating. I hope you enjoyed today's video, because this is something you can recreate very easily. And if you do, please don't forget to share it on my Instagram handle. Find the link in the description box. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.